Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to deposit USDT to your EVFEX account without any problems. So a lot of guys have been DMing me on how they can make this deposit, and in today's video I'll guide you guys on how you can recharge your account. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's open our platform, okay, the EVFEX account. Okay, so I just open my account and I need to log in because I'm just doing this from scratch. Okay, login successful. Okay, so you can see I have some money over here. Yeah, and let me show you guys how you can deposit money to your account like this. Okay, so before getting started you need to get a crypto wallet. Okay, so this is where you can transfer the money from your crypto wallet, whether Binance or Bybit or OKS or any wallet you have, to the platform. Okay, so now to transfer that, you need to click on this recharge button. Then you choose the crypto you want to make the deposit, whether you want to use the USDT or the Ethereum, and each crypto has a network. You can see the USDT has TRC20 and ARC20, and the Ethereum also have a network. Okay, so now let me open my Binance, because in this video I'll be using the Binance account to make the deposit. Okay, you can see I have some coins in my account. Okay, so to transfer the money to this platform, you need to first copy the address. Okay, this is the USDT TRC20. Okay, so I'll just copy the address and go back to my Binance account, and I'll look for a USDT. You can see I have some money in my USDT account, so I'll click on this withdraw. I'll choose the network. The network is the TRC20. I'll just click on this network and look for TRC20. Okay, because in the platform we are using the TRC20. I'm using the TRC20 to make the video. Okay, so I'll just click on this TRC20, then I'll paste in the address over here. So after that I'll just enter the amount I want to deposit. Okay, and when I'm done I'll just click on this withdraw, then I'll confirm if everything is successful, then I'll click on this confirm and send the money. Okay, so this is the address, the TEBJH. Yeah, this is the address here. So when I send this money, this $11 USDT, the money will come straight to my account. Okay, because I just sent it to the USDT TRC20, and the money will reflect at the fiat. Okay, so when the money reflects at the fiat and you want to trade, you just need to transfer the money from the fiat to the second contract account. Okay, so to do that you need to click on this transfer, then you make sure this is on fiat and this is on the second account. So you are transferring the money from the fiat to the second, so you click on this all, then you click on transfer. Okay, so this is how you can deposit money to your EVFEX account. And if this video helped you to make the deposit, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.